Hi, this is Craig from CL Crumbless Fly Rods. Today I'm going to show you my cork grading tool, how it's made, what you need to know to make better fly rod grips with this tool. The cork tool is laser engraved and cut from 1/8 inch thick acrylic sheet. I have a small 12 by 20 inch laser cutter from Full Spectrum, and I use their Retina engraved software for the design. The laser first makes passes line by line to engrave the concentric circles and their markings for the diameter from center. Next, it cuts the small marking holes, the center hole, and finally the outside of the circle. The last step for making the tool is inserting a 2-inch long acrylic rod into the center hole, and that helps you hold the cork while you're using the gauge. The first thing you need to do to use the tool is a little bit of planing. I do a lot of cork reel seats on my rods, so I'll select, glue, and turn the entire thing, seat and grip, at one time. You can also see that I prefer smaller grip shapes that are relatively flat. Whatever your preference, the tool is marked at 1/8 inch intervals from 5/8 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch. The tool also has small holes at each measurement. If you prefer to mark the entire circle, all you have to do is just put a pen or pencil into that hole and then rotate the ring around to mark the entire circle. It makes it a little bit easier if you're having trouble figuring out, where exactly those holes are in relation to the measurement that you need. It's also important to check both sides of the cork ring. Sometimes you'll see something on one side that isn't visible when you flip it around. After I check the ring and know where it's going to go on the grip, I'll put a number on the side of it. That way, when I go to glue all the rings onto the blank, I know exactly which ring belongs where. This ring has a large hole on the right side of the gauge. You can see it just above the circle. This is a ring that I probably would have thrown out and not used, but since I know that it should be someplace different on the grip, I can actually still use this ring. Good cork is hard to find, but using this tool you can better evaluate the cork and make sure you're using the best ring for the job. You can purchase a cork grading tool from me by emailing me through my website, clcrumbless.com. You can also purchase the tool from Matt Draft at proofflyfishing.com. Matt stocks just about everything for the rod maker, from fiberglass and graphite blanks, hardware and components, and of course, cork. If you'd like more advice on how to build a fly rod grip, check out my other videos on making and shaping ventilated fly rod grips. Thank you for watching.